So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 7th of February. Now let's have a look what happened pricing where prices may likely go. So initially on the 6th, we were saying that if we did see the breakdown below this 108.80, we were looking to potentially find support at the 108.50. Now, the reason we mentioned 108.50 as potential area we might find support is because if you look over here to your left on the 30th, we did find support of the 108.50 for this upside move. We did trade slightly below the 108.50 there, but again, in around that 108.50, we did find some support. So as we did come down towards this 108.50, we were looking for potentially buy side momentum coming to the market, and we trade slightly below this 108.50. We did trade slightly below the 108.50. We traded as low as 108.45, which isn't too much to be concerned about. But we did see that buy side momentum come back into the market, bringing us up to the 200 period moving average. Had a brief consolidation before we saw a break and a move up towards that 109.50. Major level marked out here in red. So in around this 109.50, we had a brief pullback, held the 200 period moving average of support, had a break of this 109.50, but we do not appear to be holding the 109.50 at present. So if we do see a breakdown further, we'll see whether the 200 period moving average does hold. It's marked out here in blue. And we'll see whether we do get a further upside break of this 109.50 on a second, well, it would be a third occasion because we've broke above it, failed, broke above it again. We do appear to be failing on a second time. So if we do, let's see if third time's a charm, then we'll look to see our price direct towards the 400 period moving average, successful break from which we're looking for price to head up towards that 110.20, and a break from there we're looking for price to head up towards that 110.73. Before we get up to 110.73, however, we've got a more recent swing high here in the market in around the 110.50. So we did see that sell side momentum coming into the market from this 110.50. So we'll see our price direct towards that 110.50 before looking at that major level of the 110.73 and the other level of importance in around the 111 level. Now, if we do fail to hold the 200 period moving average, we'll be looking for price head out towards that 108.80, a break from which we're looking for see our price track towards that 108.50, where we did see bullish buy side momentum coming into the market more recently. A break from there in around the 108.50, we are looking for price to head down towards the very next major level of the 108.13, and a break from there we'll be looking for price to head down towards that 107.32. And with that said, that pretty much covers everything in regards to US dollar Japanese yen. We do appear to be posting a bit of a recovery, but the recovery does seem slightly weak. The reason I've interpreted it as being that way is because this move upwards has been punctuated by bearish candles. Bearish candles aren't unusual, but in this move downwards, for example, the bullish candles were pretty small. And here, the bearish candles are pretty large, which suggests there is quite a bit of there are some headwinds in terms of there is a degree of bearishness still in the market. So the bulls don't have complete control of this market. So we do have to be aware of that the bulls don't have complete control like the bears did on this occasion, or possibly you'd possibly say even this occasion the bulls had a pretty strong momentum there in the market, but more recently we are seeing it punctuated by these pullbacks. This move has upwards has been a bit cautious, so we'll see our price develop from here, whether we do see that failure and a move back down towards these levels previously identified, or whether we do find support before seeing a break and further strong momentum come back into this market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.